This right here doesn't give me any issues, doesn't cause me any stress, doesn't call me in the middle of the night asking where I'm at when I'm obviously dead asleep. It doesn't accuse me of cheating every day. It doesn't mind if I have another one of it. It doesn't mind any of that. Therefore, I'd take this over a woman any day. Now, for y'all in my comments, go ahead, drop some name suggestions. She is a she. No he, him, they, them bullshit over here. But y'all drop some name suggestions and I'll consider them.